Hi, welcome to our Jovila channel. Safety officer position are discussing today in this video. So keep an eye at the end of this video how to apply for this position and details of the job requirements. So spec company is hiring safety officer positions. Qualification required for this position is bachelor degree or diploma in any discipline, NIBOSH, IGC, IOSH, managing safety and other safety certifications is a plus point. 2 to 3 years of experience in construction industry, proficient in MS Office applications, knowledgeable in DM and Trachees regulations, with valid SARS card required for this position. People that want to apply for this positions, so apply for this position with confidence and send your CV to career@specenergy.com. We hope this video is helpful for you to grab this type of job. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button to get notification when new video will come, and also share with others this video to reach the people that want to grab this job. Thank you.